Today doing a special section that talking about circular patterns. Well, because of friend asking, I made this video easier for people to understand. Well, pattern is if you read the description, it's create a duplicate face, feature the bodies or components and arrange them in an arc of circular patterns. Well, select the object and pattern the axis and provide around that, but this is in the solid mode. But what I want to do today is I want to do it in the sketch mode. Well, let's create a sketch. And circular pattern, definitely you want something circular as a base, easier. Let's say this is let's say I do want to do some plate that are called circular patterns inside or three circle. So I create a base. Another one I need to make a 50 mm from the middle. This is extra just for me to make sure that thing is in correct location, so I can still select it. Oh, I forget, I just shut something down. When you try to select something and you fail, you always need to come to select and selection tool or priority or filter. Make sure you select all, because sometimes you got a lot of models, you can adjust whatever you want to select, then you not accidentally select to other stuff. That's extra. But go back to circular patterns. I use the middle line as a guideline, so I can create another round here. Let's say at 20 centimeters. 20 mm. Okay, so now you got a one special big circle and small circle. Let's say I want to create three circle in the same location of other shapes, so it's circular patterns. Then I'm going to use the feature here. So unfortunately, this one I don't see any shortcut. Only way is come into create and circular patterns. After you click, you will see this small windows, circular patterns and object and center points. So object is the thing you want to copy as a patterns, and the center point is the place you want to go. Either you select the middle point or select the outside range, outside circle. Then you will get something like that, blah blah. Then you see three of them, and always you can come back to double click on this to adjust it. Let's say I want the six numbers of them. Then you want to get some six pattern. I forget what is the word say. It's like arrange them to like that, but you can remove one of them and you can get the arrangement. Sometimes you need this kind of design, I don't know, but it's very useful for most of the time, especially some machining part, like gasket locking, you want to do it. It's very simple for this. Okay, this is the way. And so until now it's just part one, is about talking about the circular pattern in sketch, but let us create the bodies, make a exclude. So now you got the bodies here. How about talking, look, if I want to circulate the pattern, the bodies, and you still can do it in exactly the same way. Different is like you need to create some body face first. Let me do an example. I create a 20 mm round, and I do some extrude here. So you see that there is an extra face in this area. So I want to do a knob, like hand knob, or hand lock, easy to grip, or hand gripper, whatever you name it. And then I can just actually select this face, and I go into create, go into pattern. You will see that a little bit different on the arrangement, because just now it's inside the create sketch, now it's in the solid. And then you can go to circular patterns, and then go to select. I already select the face, and then select the axis. So you can select either the ring or select the meter, but now you cannot select inside. I can point the meters, and you can point any direction, but I will always suggest you select on the body line, so you can get it more accurate. Because in case some of you got the center line is not arranged correctly. So in time, like let's say I make a 20, so you got a hand knob, easy for candles. And also the same thing, if you don't want the round one, you want a sharp one, you still can doing the same way. Okay, So like I exclude this one to the bottoms, then you got a sharp one. But in this case, if I want to use the patterns, circular patterns, and you need to select the both face, otherwise you will like error, they won't come out. Let's say I just select one face. Okay, I select the round, and it will come. You will still okay. The Fusion 360 is quite smart because it will automatically fill in if a simple face. But sometimes you got a very complicated geometry, it may not fill in. You come out to error. I tried that before, but somehow this time is okay. Then maybe they updated the smart calculation. And yeah, you need to play around with it, and then you get the easy. Okay, before I go, let's come back. You can see the history. They got C patterns, so you can go back to here, and always you can adjust the numbers by dragging or just type in the numbers 20. Then you got something like yeah, you can use this method to build a Malaysia flag. They got a star on top. So you don't have to make seriously on the drawing one by one the angles. Don't have to, because this patterns. So it's very simple for you to make something like I got a project that people asked me to build some pool shed. I think it's bubble separator or something. Let me go to the view of okay, this one. So they got a lot of for this one is we just can, if you know how to use the tools of this one, you can very simple to build this up maybe in 10 minutes. Once you got all the measurement, you create one plate of this and one round of this. That is a it's the whole model got 4 times. That 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. So 4 times of circular pattern. Then that's it. So today's tutorial until here. If you think this helpful, please give me a thumb up, share with your friends if they need to learn. But yeah, actually you don't have to share it until you need it. Okay, let's close that until here, and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.